In this lesson, we're going to be looking at the role of ICT in business management and also ICT software and hardware that are used for doing business. What is ICT? ICT is abbreviation for Information and Communication Technology, which simply means that any technology that has to do with gathering information, processing information, and dissemination of information falls under ICT. Any type of technology that has to do with sending messages and receiving messages falls under ICT. So the role of ICT in business management. Number one, customer service management. Have you ever made a call to a telecommunications company or to another company using your phone or using a particular number, and you are asked to hold on and a computer is talking to you and taking your request or complaint, asking you to press 1 or press 2 or press 3 or press 0, or telling you that um, all the service operators are busy right now, hold on, someone will attend to you or someone will take your call. That is the work of ICT. That is the work of ICT. So customer service management is one of the roles of ICT. Then marketing management. Have you ever visited a website or tried to research a certain challenge or issue, and after that, from the next day, you start getting messages on that particular issue or on that particular message, or you begin to receive emails relating to what you went to look up in Google? That is ICT in action for marketing management as well. So, record keeping, accounting and record keeping. With different applications that are available now, you can upload your accounting data on a system, and that system or application can help you to calculate your income statement, cash flow statement, and all those other statements that you would need an accountant for. There are some applications that can help you manage your accounting and record keeping process. So human resource management, especially in the area of payroll, there are certain applications that you can use to manage the payroll of the staff of the company. So job that would have taken a task that could have taken up to maybe 6 hours or several days, in a few minutes, the application can help you to calculate the compensation, the task, the pension, and everything relating to the staff. So we have payroll management system, which falls under human resource management. So there's also the corporate management. This period where there's the COVID-19 and the social distancing and all, I'm sure you'd have observed that a lot of meetings are being done on video conferencing platforms like Zoom, Google Meetings, and other platforms. This is ICT in action. Then operations integration. There are several applications that make it possible for staff in different departments to see real-time transactions. You know that for certain departments, the information that they put online on the system is what another department needs to generate or create their own reports. So some applications make it possible for you to see real-time transactions. As a particular department is keying in their figures on the system, another department can see those figures and use those figures to prepare or generate their own report. So this is operations integration. It's one of the roles of ICT. Then also operations management. are several ways that ICT can help to manage the operations. Even when it comes to signing in and signing out, there are certain companies that for you to have access, you need to use certain ID cards that have chips or that give you access to the building. And when you sign in, the system records the time that you came in, and if you need to leave, the system captures that you left the office at this time. So if there's any issue, the system can be used to track what the problem is, or when the staff was missing or left the office. Several things that you can do with these systems. And also, for if it's a production company, it can also help to manage the inventory. Okay, so ICT is important. So ICT software for doing business. ICT software for doing business. Automated billing systems. So the applications that help to automate your billing system. Then there are payment processing systems, email marketing system like MailChimp, where you can schedule email messages to be sent to your customers or to be sent to prospects. There's also customer relationship management system, customer relationship management, CRM. These are systems where you can key in your customer data. Some of these systems can notify you when your customer's birthday is close, so that you can design messages to send to them. Also, some of these systems are used to also capture the full data, the address, the different data relating to your customer. Okay, how much the customer has bought over a period of time, and the relationship that you have with your customer. There's also the enterprise messaging systems. You have the call center and customer support systems, HR management systems, storage systems, for example, the cloud storage, etc. Now, what are the hardware for doing business? ICT hardware. These are basic information: your personal computer, PC, laptop, mobile phones and smartphones, modem for internet connectivity, storage devices like your hard drive, your flash drive, etc. Then your POS.